your new car. You never forget your first chip. Stop the chips before they happen with Scotchgard Paint Protection Film Pro Series from 3M. Tested to withstand half-inch diameter gravel at speeds up to 30 to 60 miles per hour. It is virtually invisible, extremely durable, and will protect against rock chips, road debris, and other environmental hazards. Every kit is computer cut and designed to be a perfect fit. Then it is professionally applied. Paint protection film can be applied to the main impact areas of your vehicle, such as the hood, fenders, mirrors, front bumper, door edges, door cups, rear bumper top, and much more. Scotchgard Pro Series gives you peace of mind with a full 7-year warranty. See an associate for details. Protect your investment now and eliminate the need for costly touch-ups or repainting later. Ask your dealer representative today about purchasing the proven protection of Scotchgard Paint Protection Film Pro Series from 3M. Then hit the road with confidence